In the heart of a lush, green forest lay the hidden village of Shantipur, a place where magic and reality intertwined. The villagers lived peacefully, surrounded by towering trees and sparkling streams. Among them was a curious young boy named Arav, who was known for his adventurous spirit and boundless imagination. One day, while exploring the forest, Arav stumbled upon an old, forgotten path. Intrigued, he followed it until he reached a clearing he had never seen before. In the center of the clearing stood an ancient stone temple, overgrown with vines and moss. The air around it seemed to shimmer with a mysterious energy. Arav's heart raced with excitement. He pushed open the heavy temple door, which creaked loudly in protest, revealing a dark and dusty interior. Sunlight streamed in through cracks in the walls, casting airy shadows on the ground. In the middle of the room, atop a pedestal, rested a large, ornate mirror. Its frame was intricately carved with symbols and gems that sparkled in the dim light. Unable to resist, Arav approached the mirror and gazed into it. At first, he saw only his reflection, but as he looked closer, the surface of the mirror began to ripple like water. To his astonishment, the reflection faded, revealing a different scene, a beautiful garden filled with colorful flowers, singing birds, and a serene pond. But something was odd. In the garden, a figure appeared, an older man with wise eyes and a long beard, who seemed to be looking directly at Arav. The man smiled and spoke, though his voice echoed only in Arav's mind. "Welcome, young one," the man said. "I am Sage Parth, the guardian of this enchanted mirror. It shows not just reflections, but truths hidden from the eyes of the world." Arav was stunned. "What truths?" he asked, his voice trembling with curiosity and fear. "Look deeper, and you shall see," the sage replied mysteriously. Arav leaned in closer to the mirror. The scene changed again, this time showing his village, Shantipur, but it was different, darker, with storm clouds gathering overhead. Villagers hurried about with anxious expressions, and in the distance, Arav saw a shadowy figure lurking, its eyes glowing menacingly. "What is this? What's happening to my village?" Arav asked, panic rising in his chest. "This is the future that may come to pass," the sage said gravely. "A darkness is approaching, one that feeds on fear and deceit. But there is hope. You, Arav, have the power to change this fate." "Me? How?" Arav asked, feeling overwhelmed. "The mirror will guide you, but be warned, not everything it shows is as it seems. Trust in your heart, and seek the truth behind the illusions," the sage advised before the image faded, leaving only Arav's reflection once more. Determined to save his village, Arav set off on a quest to uncover the truth. The mirror, now smaller and portable, became his constant companion. As he journeyed through the forest, the mirror revealed more scenes, some beautiful, others terrifying. Each vision left Arav with more questions than answers. Days passed, and Arav grew weary. The visions in the mirror were becoming harder to interpret. One night, as he sat by a campfire, the mirror showed him a vision of a great treasure hidden in a cave nearby. The treasure was said to have the power to banish any darkness. This must be the answer, Arav thought, his heart filled with hope. He hurried to the cave the next morning, following the mirror's guidance. Inside the cave, Arav found a chest overflowing with gold, jewels, and a glowing crystal. But as he reached for the crystal, the ground beneath him trembled. The treasure chest began to warp and twist, transforming into a fearsome creature made of shadows. It roared, eyes blazing with fury. Arav stumbled back, realizing he had been deceived. The mirror had shown him an illusion. The treasure was a trap, set by the darkness to lead him astray. Fear gripped Arav's heart, but he remembered the sage's words, "Trust in your heart." Closing his eyes, Arav focused on the warmth in his chest, the love he had for his village, and the courage within him. When he opened his eyes, the creature of shadows had shrunk, its power diminished by Arav's newfound strength. With a determined heart, Arav raised the mirror to the creature. The mirror's surface glowed brightly, reflecting the creature's true form, a weak, lost spirit, desperate for attention. The light from the mirror grew stronger until the creature vanished completely, banished by Arav's courage and truth. Exhausted but victorious, Arav returned to Shantipur. The storm clouds that had loomed over the village were gone, replaced by clear skies and the warm sun. The villagers welcomed Arav back with cheers and gratitude, though they did not know the full extent of his adventure. That night, Arav returned to the temple in the forest. Placing the enchanted mirror back on its pedestal, the sage appeared in the mirror once more, smiling warmly. "You have done well, Arav. You have learned the greatest truth of all, that true power comes not from wealth or magic, but from within. Courage, honesty, and love are the strongest forces in the world." Arav nodded, understanding the lesson in his heart. "Thank you, Sage Parth. I will never forget this." With that, the temple doors closed behind him, and Arav returned to his village, ready to face any challenge with the wisdom he had gained. The true power lies within us, in our courage, honesty, and love. When we trust in ourselves and seek the truth, we can overcome any challenge, no matter how daunting it may seem.